Another one that's on the flyer, yeah, this is patriotic. He just pulled these a much beefier unit. Hey guys, this one they just dropped the price. Another one on the sale. We got the December deal drops. Yes, this is a new ad that just dropped at the low. So don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now this ad is available all the way until December the 11th. So new deals on the hottest gifts for every week for the holiday season. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more holiday deals, Black Friday, and all sorts of glitches. Yes, price glitches. A lot of people getting crazy prices. They do say also you do have to work fast. You do have to be a fast clicker. All right, so we got $14.98. This is a really nice set of gloves. It does cover up all your knuckles, protects everything, and it is dampers vibration as well. So and it adjusts. So really nice. All right, another great deal is this thing, guys. These things are getting very competitive in price, especially with those Black Friday holiday seasons pricings. Now this one's an excellent pro toolbox, modular toolbox system. Now this one, I do apologize for the camera there. You got $249. That's a killer deal on that one. $159 for the drawer, for the 3-drawer, and $139 for the single drawer. Excellent deal. Bunch of accessories are available for 1,000 lumen lights for the modbox, rechargeable work lights. $59.98. I don't know what's going on with the camera guy, right? Which is me. You got some accessories here. Magnet strip, $29.98. And then you got another braille system. This is for the interior of the box, so get some organization on the interior. So this one's $9.98 for the modbox interior braille accessory. All right, here's another one. This is an exterior, or actually, yeah, exterior organizer. This is like a small organizer that goes on the side, parts bin accessory, $14.98. You got the modbox tote accessory, $19.98. Now this one, pretty nice what they did with this. They got some nice metal on the front, so it's carrier braille attachment, what they call it. You got nice for extensions for any type of wires and stuff like that. Very nice. A bunch of accessories available online as well. I'll link to some of them down below in the description section or on the left hand corner of this video. Keep in mind there are affiliate links and no extra cost to you. So I will leave any other deals that I can find. I'll leave them down below. $297. This is an excellent deal. This is a Black Friday pricing and holiday season. A whole bunch of sockets, guys. There's millions of sockets on this one. A bunch of ratchets. All right, toolboxes. We got some nice share of toolboxes to show you guys. You got a really nice compact, very roomy 41-inch 7-drawer for $3.99 with solid wood top. Really self-closing drawer is pretty nice. Another one that's on the flyer, this one, or the ad, this was $129. Yes, this is a 18-inch brand nailer. It's a 2 1/8 brand nailer. Here's a crown stapler for $69 and a 16-gauge for $179. Yeah, those are actually pretty good nailers. Especially if you're on this line, it's very inexpensive line to get into. The batteries and the chargers, they're very inexpensive, so definitely check those out. And they're all brushless tools. All right, another killer deal. This is $169 for the K stack, $249 for the stack pack. Those are all killer deals. I'm not gonna go in depth in those because we did see them before. $14.98. Any of these pliers, got a 2-pack of mini pliers set and a 3-piece locking. Really love the handles on those locking ones. Adjustable wrench, 3-pack, and then some groove joints with some nice handles there. Blue handles, rubber grip. So I really love what Kobalt's doing this. And check out this saw. This is like a manual reciprocating, so if you want to call it. This is a 3-in-1 multi-use saw. It does come with the blades, everything that you need. $14.98 and $19.98 for this angled. You can miter snips, what they call them. So you can do those cuts at 45 degree. $39.99. Your choice any of these Dewalt hoodies. You got gray, black, yellow, darker gray, and then you got the yellow and the black there, which everybody wants the black one. So pretty good, different sizes on those. All right, talking about another item on the flyer, on the ad. Here's $99, 110 volt lithium ion inflator as battery, car, or electric. So that you got all sorts of plugs, 12 volts, 110 volts, even the battery, so you can power that. All right, another toolbox, something I didn't see before. $2.99 with this bright green workstation. It's a 41-inch high visibility that they call it. I'm not a fan of the high visibility stuff, the quality of it, but this box is actually not bad, guys. It is entry level, I'll tell you that. It's not gonna be a pro level. This is really nice with the flag. Yeah, this is a patriotic toolbox. Really nice what they did with this. The design, 63-inch wide patriotic 9-drawer. $5.99 for this. Was a 1,500-pound, 100-pound drawer capacity. Of course, self-closing. You got some liners and the American flag. You guys do see there. Nice, big, huge, deep drawer there on the right downhand corner, and then some handles and some. All right, here's another one. Here's another big one. Now this one, we've seen this before throughout. It's actually on sale for $3.99. It's actually not bad. It is the 52-inch, 37 in height. Now this is the full setup right here. The top is $2.99, so it is sold separately, or you can buy them together at $6.98. Personally, I do own this setup. This thing is a really, really nice setup. Very roomy. There's a lot of places for power tools, hand tools on the top. I keep all my hand tools on the very top and power tools at the bottom. Alright, so the 50% off on clearance, all the holiday stuff, I'm not going to go over. I'm just showing you guys what I see. Alright, this is another one on the flyer. This was actually pretty good. You got a blower at $149, and you get a 2 amp hour battery with that kit. So you buy that power kit, and you get a 2 amp hour battery for that 40 volts kit. Is valid through the 11th, of course, on that flyer. So, alright, here's some more. They just pulled these out. Basically, $54.99 for the logo sleeve sweatshirts, however you want to call them. They do have a nice Carhartt on the side. $50 for the jackets or the overall. So pretty nice. And then here's the bigger jackets. This is the what you call the ones that you use in extreme weather. Really nice. I really like the materials. Seems like they do last a long time. Like thicker and just harder materials. You got some nice pants here, just traditional blue. You got $44.99 for those, and all sorts of different colors and prices available. Alright guys, talking about this flyer, guys, this thing is on sale. I'll show you guys that right now. I'll see if I can leave the link down below, or give you the pricing. But this one's very, very competitive to whatever you see the other ones. I think this is a much, much beefier unit. Check out that beefness on that tire, guys. That thing is beefy. That thing is something you would put on a car, basically. But yeah, these toolboxes do have it. And I believe the handle is removable. So it's $249 for the full setup, guys. For the full set, $249. I think that's a really, really good deal. You're getting a little bit. I think you're getting more quality than the Milwaukee. The only thing that with the Milwaukee, you do have a lot more different options, but you do got several different ones with this one as well. That is the parts organizer, $69.98. Really love the rail system that they included on the side of these boxes. You guys do look at the corners. They do have metal rails. You got the Stack Tech ToughBuilt, $249 for the cooler. So you guys do see right there. One thing I do love about this is the lock it has on the front. Yes, this lock is very easy to get, one-handed lock and unlock. And of course, you do got the shelf system for this brand, $99 down from $129. It's actually on special buy. All right, talking about something cheaper, you got the Trade Stack drawers for $79. Now this is gonna be this is gonna be more prosumer to DIY. All right, another one on sale for this December deal drops, $39.98. This was a 61 piece. It's actually pretty solid for somebody just doing occasional work. Circular socket, $79, down to from $249. All right, so this one's the buy one get one free, guys. This one they just dropped the price, So you are getting a free tool plus all this stuff that's included in this. You got a 2 batteries charger case. And that case is not just a regular case, it is a modular case stack case. So on clearance, that one's $149. You get some nice combos here with nailers and compressors, or you can just get the compressor for $129. And then buy one get one free, or buy one get two free with that $199 deal. You can choose from the oscillating tool, right angle drill, looks like a belt sander, and reciprocating saw, circular saw, inflator there, and angle grinder, sander, bunch of tools. Yes, that's a $199 RP. All right, here's some other ones. $99 your deal here. This is any of these are $99. Oscillating tool is a killer deal on that one. Let's come battery and charger. Same thing with MPX driver and drill driver. All right, got the vacuum. $89 is another one on the sale on the flyer. You got right there, $89. It's a 9-gallon wet and dry vacuum for the Dewalts. Down for $129. You got the buy one get one free for all these guys. The left is a miter saw. You get $4.99. You get a free stand. That's a killer deal. Run for that one. I'll leave it down below in the description if I can find it. You got select tools. You buy one, spend $199, get one free. Spend $279, get two free. You spend $399, get two free tools. So just depending on what you want to get or when you want to spend. Those are all pretty good deals. You can choose from all the tools down there. Same thing with the flex, guys. Yes, you buy a tool and get a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger free. Yes, lots of good deals. Now here's a better image of the other one. The other buy one get one free for the Dewalts. That's an all killer deal. All right, talking about that toolbox. Yes, it's a modular toolbox from the case stack. And this is something new that Lobes did this year. We never seen this before, even with the Depots or the Lobes. We never seen this before, but I really love what Lobes is doing with these case stack. And you do the rolling toolbox. It does qualify for a free gift with purchase. So really love what they're doing with this, combining the batteries and the case stack technology. All right, so $199 on clearance off from $299. This does come with 2 power stack batteries. It's hammer drill and an impact driver. Battery and charger. So yes, and this is the $149. This is another one that's on the ad, the December deal drops. That's it for today. Just a short video, guys. Make sure you guys have a great and safe weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And don't forget to check out our links, our shopping cart down below. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.